Hello everyone! This episode is about enjoying comics on another level by creating your own one. I'll walk you through an easy way to do this in just a few steps. So grab a pen and paper and off we go. Begin by choosing a character or theme that inspires you. This could be an animal, a person, an object, or even an emotion. For this comic, I've chosen to go with a cat, because cats are so adorable, popular, funny, and full of personality. Once you have your subject, think about what makes it interesting. What do they typically do that could be funny, relatable, or surprising? For cats, I brainstormed common behaviours, so things like getting zoomies, thinking they're the king or queen of the house, randomly attacking feet, loving boxes more than expensive toys, waking up in the wee hours, and demanding the door be opened only to sit defiantly once it has. Once you have a good list of ideas, pick your favourite. I'm going to focus on the box obsession because it's so relatable. I'm pretty sure most cat owners have seen their cats ignore an expensive toy just to play with the packaging it came in. Now that we have a funny cat behaviour, we have to somehow turn it into a story. There are a few different ways to do this. Expectation versus reality, so we set up an expectation and then subvert it. Escalation, which is making the situation funnier or more exaggerated over time. Or character reactions. The way a character reacts can make the comic more entertaining. For my idea, I thought, what if the cat was incredibly excited about something being unpacked, but instead of being excited for the actual item, in the end, he just wanted the box all along? It flips the expectation, because people assume he's waiting for a big fancy cat tree, but the punchline is that he only cares about the box. Sorted. Once you have your idea, structure it into 3 to 4 panels with a clear setup, build-up and punchline. Here's how the panels break down for the cat comic. 1. Setup. The cat is front and centre, excited about a parcel. 2. Build-up. The box is in view and the cat mentions how long they have waited on it. 3. Expectation. The box contents are revealed to show it's a cat tree. The cat explains what it means to them. 4. Punchline. The cat jumps straight into the box, ignoring the actual cat tree. This structure sets up an expectation and then flips it for a funny and satisfying ending. Time to draw it out. Stick figures, doodles, or expressive blobs all work if you'd rather keep it simple. You can use paper and pencil, nice and simple and sketchy, then colour and outline it once complete, or you can use digital tools with apps like Procreate or Adobe's Creative Suite. And that's how your comic strip idea can come to life. Now that you've made your own mini comic strip, you can show it off. Stick it on your wall or your fridge. Post it online. Or keep it in a sketchbook and create more little comics over time. Eventually you'll have a book. I had a lot of fun making mine, and I'd love to know what your comic strip idea is, so please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative fun. Catch you next time!